In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly change your email address on Calendly. Whether you're moving to a new inbox or just updating your details, this guide will make it super simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss these helpful tips. To get started, open your browser and head to calendly.com. In the top right corner, click Login. Choose your usual login method, whether that's your email, Google, or Microsoft account, and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look again at the top right and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Profile. On the Profile page, scroll down until you see Login Preferences. This is where you manage your account access. Click Change Email. Now type in your new email address carefully. Double check for typos. Calendly will send you a verification link. So open your inbox and click that link to confirm. And that's it. Your new email is now linked to Calendly. Keeping this info updated ensures you never miss booking confirmations or meeting reminders. Thanks for watching. And if this video helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides.